Today I'm going to show you how to do the sl3wyif stitch. It is the slip 3 with yarn in front. This specific stitch I'm going to show you is when there's a purl stitch before as well as a purl stitch after the slip 3. So we've just pulled our last stitch. Now the pattern's going to say sl3wyif. So we need to slip 3 stitches with the yarn in front. Our yarn is already in the front, so all we need to do is slip 3 stitches, and we're going to slip them purlwise. So it's 1, 2, 3 stitches purlwise, and that is actually the end of your sl3wyif. So it's slip 3 with yarn in front. Then your pattern is going to say to purl the following stitch. Your yarn is already in the front for a purl, so all you do is you proceed and you pull, but be mindful not to pull that loop too tight across the 3 stitches. Normal tension and pull the stitch, and you'll see when you are done it formed a loop across the front of the 3 stitches. So let me show you once more. We pull our last stitch. Then it's going to say slip 3 with yarn in front. Our yarn is already in the front. Slip 3 stitches purlwise. 1, 2, 3. And then we need to pull the following stitch as called for in our pattern. So all you do is you pull, wrap the yarn around, pull it through, and you are done. I will show you once more. We pull 1 stitch, slip 3 with yarn in front. Yarn is already in the front. Slip our 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. That's the end of your slip 3 with yarn in front. And then you proceed to pull as indicated in your pattern. Normal tension, wrap it around, drop it off. And there you'll see the loops across the work. And that is how you do the sl3wyif followed by a purl stitch.